Hello, students. As you know, I'm telling you chapter 7th of Footprints Without Feet, The Necklace. In my last video, I told you that Matilda was a rich lady, but she was married to a poor clerk. But she did not like the poverty and she suffered a lot due to her poverty. She was having one rich friend also, but she did not like to visit her because after coming from her house, she suffered a lot. And now, what happens? One day, her husband comes from his office and he was very happy and having a large envelope in his hand. And then he said, "Look, here is something for you." Immediately, she drew out a printed card on which some words were written. Means it was an invitation card from the minister's house. The words were written, "The Minister of Public Instruction and Ma'am George Rampanue ask the honor of Mr. and Ma'am Lossel's company Monday evening, January 18 at the minister's residence." Means it was an invitation card from minister's party. Instead of being delighted as her husband had hoped, when her husband bought this card, he was feeling very happy that his wife will be happy to see this card, but it didn't happen. She was not happy to see this card, rather, she was angry. She threw the invitation card spitefully upon the table and she started to say, "What do you think? Suppose I went with that." Then she said, "What should I wear? Suppose I go there." "But my dearie, I thought it would make you happy. You never go out and this is an occasion." Her husband was a bit sad and still with love, he said, "But my dear, I thought it would make you happy." Means it is a card from minister's house and it will make her happy. She never goes out and that was an occasion and it was a very fine occasion also. And he said that everybody wishes that kind of occasion and it is very select. Means a few people are invited for this party, not many are given to employees. Means all employees had not been given, they are not invited. And then he say you will see the whole official world there. Means most of the officers will be there in that party. He was trying to convince her to go to that party, but angrily, with an irritated eye, she looked at her husband and said very impatiently, "What do you suppose I have to bear to such a thing as that?" Means, what is the dress she should wear to such kind of occasion? Now he was in dismal. He had not thought of that. He stammered. And then he said, "The dress you wear when we go to the theatre, it seems very pretty to you." Means he told her about the dress when Matilda goes to theatre she wears. And then he said this also, that this dress seems very pretty on her. He was silent, stupefied in dismay. Now he was completely confused what to say or not, and that's why he was silent. He was feeling himself stupefied and he was in trouble when he saw that his wife was crying. When he that her husband is trying to convince him with that dress, she started to cry and he was feeling just himself, nothing to say. He stammered, then, what is the matter? What is the matter? Okay, he wanted to know why she is crying. By a violent effort, she had controlled her vexation and responded in a calm voice, wiping her moist cheeks. Okay, then she tried herself to make calm, but she had to do a lot of effort to make herself calm. And then she controlled her grief and responded in a calm voice. She wiped her moist cheek. As you know, tears were rolling on her cheeks. So she wiped her cheeks and then said, nothing, only I have no dress, so I cannot go to this party. Give your card to some colleague whose wife is better fitted out than I. Okay, and then he advised him to give that card to some other friend of him whose wife is having better dresses than her. The he was grieved but answered. Okay, now he was very sad. Matilda's husband was very sad and answered, let us see, Matilda, how much would a suitable costume cost? Something that would serve for another occasions, something very simple. Then he asked her about the cost of the dress, suitable costume of party, and it must be cheap and best, which could be used for other occasions also. Something very simple he wanted. And then in my next video, I'll continue this.